Hi, this is Matt with Hawley Inspections. Today I'm going to tell you a little story from the attic. People talk about, oh, it's fine to vent my bathroom exhaust fan right into the attic. It does not need to go to the exterior. Well, that is wrong because it produces condensation and moisture up here, which can lead to fungal growth. So as we can see right over there, you see where the bathroom exhaust fan vents into the attic here. You see where it vents on the roof. You see the black discoloration all through there? That's actually fungal growth growing up the sheeting here in the attic. And that is exactly why you should never vent your bathroom exhaust fan into the attic. And it needs to vent to the exterior.